Good morning, guys. So welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So today's Vlogmas day number 24. So by the time you're watching this video, happy Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve to you guys. So today's going to be a fun day. Not even like crazy fun. So I'm going to continue packing whatever I have to pack for my trip. And then tonight, well, today is actually Alex's 30th birthday. So I'm going back to Connecticut today just to have like a small little dinner at a sushi restaurant. They still have indoor dining, I guess. So we're gonna go to a small little sushi restaurant. They are still practicing social distancing, guys, so don't be afraid. I know some of you guys were up in roar about me going away for my birthday, but it is what it is. As long as you follow the CDC protocols, you should be fine. But yeah, so I wanted to say good morning, and you guys can see that the hair came out exactly the way that I told y'all it would, and it looks just so much better jet black, guys. Like, it looks so much better. And as far as my skin, that you guys are complimenting me that it's starting to decrease a little bit, definitely right here is starting to minimize a lot. And I'm so happy that I started the journey with Murad, so I'm gonna keep going. And like I said, I still think I might get a chemical peel because I feel like a chemical peel will definitely level me up before the summer comes. So this is the hair, guys. This is my birthday hair. And like I said, look at, after I washed her, she still curls very nicely, very voluminous, and just so pretty. And if I didn't mention already, she's a closure wig, so she stops from right here to about right here. So she's a good size closure wig, so very minimal. Like, this is a good vacation hair. And when I did let her air dry overnight, she was actually wavy, so even if I go swimming, I'll still have like a little bit of a wave pattern. So that's all perfect. She's a great length and she's looking good. So I'm not gonna do makeup now. I did go ahead and do my skincare in the morning. I do it in the morning and the nighttime. So I did my skincare, so my skin is looking a little bit fresh right now. So I think I'm gonna make something to eat. I do need to wash some of the dishes in the sink. I do have some running in the dishwasher. I have some cookie mix out right there because tomorrow I'm gonna do a Christmas dinner. So you guys will see my, because we're not gonna be here for Christmas, so I'm gonna do a nice little meal and everything. Can't wait for you guys to see it. So you guys will see that one on Friday because that's how Vlogmas goes. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is probably cook with you guys. I think I'm gonna do shrimp and grits with a little bit of scrambled eggs, or maybe without the eggs, just put a biscuit because I do have some biscuits. So I'm gonna do shrimp and grits, like Cajun shrimp and grits with a biscuit, or maybe eggs. I don't know yet, but you guys will see it. You guys love when I do the cooking, so it's the holiday season, so let's jazz it up a little bit, period. So yeah, I'm in a good mood this morning. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy 30th birthday. I'm coming up on Sunday, so we hit the 30s, bestie. Like, this is crazy. So happy 30th birthday to Al. Love you so much. You are the best friend in my life. Like, literally, like, and she's the type of friend, like, my friendships with people is like this. I'm not always there texting every single day and stuff like that. And the group of friends that I have, we're all kind of like that. We hit each other up. We talk every day, but we're not kind of like constantly on each other's backs and stuff like that. And that's the type of friendship I like. I don't like friendships that require too much, if you know what I mean, but just understanding that love is love and we're always going to be there for each other, which is why I love my set of friends. Love, love, love them. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Shut up, Dom. All right, let's get it. Editing the video right now. I'm wrapping it up. It's about 1:30, so I just put it up around like 3 o'clock, guys. So after I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and make the shrimp and grits. I've kind of waited a little bit, so now I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm about to go ahead and prepare the food. It's a mess back there. Just deal with it. Deal with it.
This yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's the fifth of love. It's the fifth of love. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, up, up.
Alright, so here are the biscuits. They look really, really good. I put a little bit of extra butter on top. Here goes our shrimp, Cajun shrimp, and some butter. And then here is our butter grits right here. So I'm going to go ahead and plate it, but everything looks really, really good. And it's going to be good. I know it. Like, look at that. Like, come on. So this is a little masterpiece I created here. Made like a little Cajun butter sauce. The grits I use is a Quaker's butter grit, so it already has like butter in it. I just use pink salt and black pepper, and the biscuit looks really, really good, guys. So this is the finished result of my at-home shrimp and grits. So I'm meeting my friends in here.
Cheers, Alex. Happy birthday.
Cheers to Al. Happy birthday, Al. Love you, Al.
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty.
Be careful with that plate over there.
Thank you.
Shrimp tempura, yellow avocado. You want to eat it? You want to take the plate away? I'll get you that one.
What are you doing over
What
there?
is this? Don't look at my stomach. I just ate.
Look at the heels.
You see, my feet are killing me.
Yes, outfit is on point.
You're getting the rest of us too?
Get out of here.
Crazy. You should have got me. Bye, I love you.
Bye.
Safe flight.
Hug me, hug me.
Bye, guys.
Have a safe trip. I'm gonna text you before you go.
Bye, guys. Love you. Dan, I will see you. Bye, Dan. Bye, Dan. Love you. Alright, guys. I'm on my way back home. Oh, to get to my car now. It is extremely late. Dark. On my way home. hit my sister up and told my sister that somebody was using me in their TikTok for kind of like a controversial black girls wearing blonde hair type of stuff. Now, I'm not going to show the girl's little hashtag name because she doesn't deserve that type of fame because she looks stupid AF. But I'm going to quickly play the video, guys, for you guys.
I think you bitches get it, okay? You can't outdo the doer.
The fuck are you talking about? Looking like that, bro? So I actually saw that video on Sunday. I actually forgot to mention it to you guys. And I actually was going through my text message when I saw the video today. Like, to be honest, and I'm not like... First of all, if you're gonna do TikTok videos, make sure you come up there looking decent. Like, bro, the video was so stupid. And this whole controversy with black girls wearing blonde hair just needs to be settled. Like, it's not that serious, bro. Literally, a lot of us, and the girls that were on that video, bomb AF. So I don't know why she was hating. We did that, period. So that whole entire TikTok was stupid. I'm mad that she used my photo with no permission, but it is what it is. If it's gonna get a little bit of showtime or whatever it is. And the thing about it is, like, you're gonna talk about black women wearing blonde hair, at least our hair was laid to the gods. It's not like we're waking up every single morning with blonde hair. We literally put the blonde wig on when we want to have a style, a little bit of a look or whatever. And at the same time, people are always making these jokes like, oh, black women want to be white women so bad and stuff like that. But what happened to all this culture vulture shit going on now? A lot of people are picking up trends off of black women and stuff like that, but we don't want to talk about that. But it is what it is, and it's really sad because the girl that made the video is actually Dominican, so not that that means anything, because I know somebody's gonna come and like, what does that mean? But still, you're a woman of color, so why are you doing videos like this? But to each his own. And I actually found out that she's actually pregnant too, so wow, talking shit while you're carrying a child, that is such a bad omen. Like, I don't know, but like I said, a lot of people have made a mockery of themselves this year, just trying to get views, just trying to get TikTok fame and stuff like that. Literally, hopefully the TikTok fame lasts, because once this is over, you better hope that these companies aren't looking into stuff like this, because trust me, you won't have no freaking job, okay? All right, so I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Today was a very long day, literally. The drive to Connecticut there took me 2 hours and 17 minutes. Oh yeah, like 2 hours tops, and the ride home took me about like an hour and 30 minutes. So I'm exhausted. My entire day today was consumed with driving. Happy birthday to Alex, love you, boo. So I am skincare done. No, I did not touch that luggage tonight at all, period. So tomorrow morning I gotta wake up super early, move my car because I don't want to get a ticket tomorrow, and then I'm gonna just go straight to the laundry, put the clothes in the laundry, finish the bag, and get going. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here, guys. Today's vlog was more of a chatty vlog, you know, just a little chatty vlog, just catching up. So I want to say, well, Merry Christmas Eve to you guys. Love you guys so much. And tomorrow you guys will see my Christmas dinner, so I'm excited about that. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys later.